This program is made by the volunteers at Math Circle Online. Please join us to explore the wonders of math.
In this video, we will be taking a look at the 2015 AMC10A problem number 5. Mr. Patrick teaches math to 15 students. He was grading tests and found that when he graded everyone's test except Peyton's, the average grade for the class was 80. After he graded Peyton's test, the test average became 81. What was Peyton's score on the test?
Okay, for this problem, we will be using the formula for finding the average of something. So when the formula for the average is applied to this problem, it would look something like this. So the average score would be equal to the total score of all these students added up over the total number of students. Okay, so now we will use the facts presented in the problem. So we know that before Mr. Patrick graded Peyton's test, that the average score was 80. And then we're trying to find the total score for now. And the amount of students that he graded, or actually that were used in this when grading, would be 14, since he hasn't graded Peyton's test yet, and his the total number of students in his class is 15. So 15 minus 1 would be 14. And now we use we write a second equation, which would be 81 equals to some score over 15, and this represents the fact that the average score went to 81 after he graded Peyton's test, and that would make the total number of students 15. Let's call this 1 and 2, make it more clear. Alright, so now we just solve for S1 and S2. So S1 would be equal to 1120 after we multiply 14 to both sides, and S2 would be equal to 1215 after we multiply 15 to both sides. So since Peyton was the deciding factor between these two total scores, that means all we need to do is subtract 1120 from 1215 to get Peyton's score. And doing so, we get 95.